Hi everyone, welcome. In this additional of today's newspaper on Friday, June the 26th, 2020, we have here a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 4 stars, a binary and a tectonic. So total of 5 Sudokus in the additional that I'm going to solve in a second. Alright, before I start, I want to count all the printed numbers in this puzzle so I know if it's really a 1 star or 2 stars. And yesterday I've also count all the numbers. No, yesterday was Thursday. There was no additional, but the day before the 1 star had 27 printed numbers, 2 stars 26, 3 stars 25, and 4 stars 24, I believe. So this maybe, I think 27 printed, but let us check. We have 3, 5, 8, 10, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20, 23, plus 4, 27. Yeah, I'm right. 27 printed digits in this puzzle. So let's get started. Alright. I see here in the last row 5 and a 7. In the row above also 5 and a 7. So in that row the only two places for the 5 and the 7 should be here or there. I see here 7, so no 7 there. 7 should be here and the 5 goes there. How about let me see. Well, six, the 6 and the 3. Yes, look in this column 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. Two of those missing numbers are the 6 and the 3. So no 6 and the 3 in these two boxes. So the 6 and the 3 goes here and there. I mark them. Easier to follow. How about these two numbers in this column? Should be the 2 and the 7. 2 and the 7. We have a 2 here, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 7 goes there. 3 missing numbers now in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these two boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So these two numbers are left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 4 and 8. Yeah, 4 and 8. I mark them again. It's easier to follow. 4 and 8. Then, how about the 7 in this third column? 7 in the first column, so in the second column. The only 3 places for the 7 should be here, here, or there. I see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. Yeah, 2 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only 2 places for the 2 here or there, but I see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. And then 1. How about the number? Five. Yeah. In this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 5. We see here 5. No 5 in these 2 boxes. There 5. No 5 in that box. So the 5 could be here or could be there. So we have a 5 in this column, a 5 in one of these 2 boxes in that column. So in the middle column, the only 2 places for the 5 here or there. But I see here 5. No 5 there. 5 should be here. And then the 2, the 5, the 4. How about the number? Yes, in this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4 in one of those 2 boxes in the last column, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. There are 4, so no 4 in that box. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 3. 2. Yes, 2 in this row, 2 in the last row, so in the row between, the only place for the 2 should be there. So we have a 1 in this column, 1 in the column next, so in the last column, the only place for the 1 should be here. That means these 2 boxes should be the 6 and the 3. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 3 goes there. 1 number left there should be the 3. Yes. Now, it's getting difficult now. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The 6 is missing and the 9 is missing. 6 and the 9. I mark them. It's easier to follow. How about these 3 numbers now? The 1 is missing in the 3rd column. We see here 1, so no 1 there. Here also 1, so no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 8 are missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 8 goes there. We have a 6 now, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 9, and this should be the 6. 6 in the first row, 6 in the 3rd row, so in the row between the 2nd row, the only 2 places for the 6 here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this column, 6 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place for the 6 should be here. 6 in the 3rd column, 6 in the 2nd column, so in the 1st column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Now, 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers are the 1, the 3, and the 8. We see here 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. The 1 and the 8 are left. 1 and the 8, I marked them. I cannot fill this yet. How about here? 1 and the 8 also. These two numbers in this row are the numbers 4 and the 3. I cannot fill this yet. 4 and the 3. Then this row 4 and the 8. Still cannot fill this yet. 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. The 5 is missing. And the 9 is missing. The 5, 5, 3, 3. 3, 3. Alright. So in this column, the middle column, let us see how many boxes are left. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the middle column, and one of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. We see there 3, no 3 here. So the 3 could be here or could be there. I see here also a 3, so no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be here. We have here 2 numbers, 4 and a 3. This should be a 4 now. 4 in this column, 4 in that column, so in the middle column, the only place for the 4 should be here. 1 number left in this row for the number 8. 1 number left in this big square for the number 4. Then 3 missing numbers in the second row. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here a 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Now I have a 1 here, so this cannot be a 1. This should be the 1. This should be the 8. We have an 8 here, so this should be a 1. 1 in this column, 1 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And all the 1s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. How about the number? These 2 numbers in this row, the second row, the missing numbers are the 8 and the 7. Can I fill this yet? Yes, we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. The 8 goes there. 1 number left in this middle column for the number 1, 2, 3, for the 9. I think it's the 9. Yes, 9. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. Yes. So we have an 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places for the 8. Here or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We have a 2 here, no 2 there. 2 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in the first row, 8 in the second row, so in the third row, the only 2 places for the 8 here or there. But I see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2. No 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And then one number left in the third row for the number. Oh, we have a double 2 here. I've made a mistake. This cannot be true. 3. I need... wait. 1. I need a 2 in the second row. Did I make a mistake with the 7 here? 7. Yeah, must be a 7. Or the 1 is incorrect, or the 2 is... Wait, 7. Oh, double 7 here. I think this should be a 2. A 2. And this number should be a 7. Yeah. 2, 7. Yeah. 7. So 7. So one number left in this row, the third row. 1, 2, 3. This should be the 9. Yeah. 9 in the third column. 9. Showing 9 in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. One number left in this column should be the number 3. One number left in this big square for the number 7 is correct. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We have a 3 here, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 5 goes there. One number left in the middle row for the number 4. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 here, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 5 and 9. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Yeah. Finish in 17 minutes. Yes, with a mistake. Small error. Yes. Thank you for watching. If you like this Sudoku, thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Again, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the second Sudoku. It will be a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.